Dear students, we discuss real numbers. Clear? This is memograph of real numbers. Clear? Real numbers consisting of the first one, rational numbers, irrational numbers. Clear? What is called real numbers? That means the set of rational numbers and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Clear? Real numbers means the set of rational numbers and irrational numbers is called real numbers, or the union of rational numbers and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Clear? So now, what is called rational numbers and irrational numbers? The branches of, first of all, rational numbers. Rational numbers consisting of integers, clear, and non-integers. So what is called integers? Integers consisting of positive and negative. Integers are denoted by Z or I. The set of integers are denoted by Z. Integers consisting positive and negative. Now, positive integers are denoted by Z minus. That means the set of integers is denoted by Z. The positive integers are denoted by Z plus. The negative integers are denoted by Z minus. Clear? Now, integers means including negative and positive. Clear? Along with 0. Clear? Now, Z plus. Clear? That means positive integers are natural numbers and whole numbers. Clear? Natural numbers and whole numbers. Clear? First, already we discussed top to bottom. Now we are discuss bottom to top. The first, what is called n? N means the set of natural numbers. Clear? N means the set of natural numbers. What is called natural numbers? Counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on is called natural numbers. Clear? The set of natural numbers is denoted by n. Clear? That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Clear? Natural numbers. The set of natural numbers are denoted by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Now, how to represent the set of natural numbers on a number line? Clear? Now, we can take a number line. Now, from the beginning, which one? 1. Now, we can take number line is equal parts. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Clear? We have to observe that the smallest natural number is 1. The greatest natural number is we can't define. Clear? Understood? The next one, we are going to whole numbers. Whole numbers means natural numbers along with 0. Clear? Whole numbers means natural numbers are counting numbers along with 0 is called whole numbers. The set of whole numbers is denoted by W. Clear? So how to write the set of whole numbers? So natural numbers, that means 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma and so on, along with 0. Now that is called the set of whole numbers. Clear? Now how to represent the set of whole numbers on the number line? Now we can take a number line. We can start with 0. These are equal parts. Clear? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Clear? We have to observe that on a number line, the least whole number is 0. The greatest whole number is we can't define. Clear? Now, the next one we are going to positive integers. Positive integers means all are natural numbers. Positive integers means all are natural numbers. Clear? Already told. What are the natural numbers? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma and so on. That is called positive integers. Clear? The next one, negative integers. What are the negative integers? We can take positive integers. What are they? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma and so on. These are positive. Now as the same way, before write the numbers of the sign is minus. Clear? That means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Clear? Now we have to observe that whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? The successor of 0 is 1, the successor of 1 is 2 and so on. That means increasing. After the value of the 0 is increasing. After the 0 of the left side of the 0 is decreasing. Clear? We have to observe that a number line, right side of the 0 of the values are increasing, left side of the 0 of the numbers are decreasing. Clear? Now we have to observe that negative integers. So n, that means already I told, that means z plus means n. Clear? That is natural numbers. That is equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. That is natural numbers. Clear? Positive natural numbers. Now we can write z minus. Z minus. That means we can write negative integers. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now these are natural numbers. We can write negative. Now we can take the negative values. That means negative integers are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. But you have to observe that 0 is not there. What is called 0 from the integers? Now that is called 0 is neither positive nor negative. Clear? 0 is must be neither positive nor negative. Clear all of you? Now we can represent integers. We can represent integers. Integers means negative and positive. Already told, positive means natural and whole along with 0, whole numbers. Okay, that means integers means negative and positive along with 0. Already told 0 is neither positive nor negative. These are called integers. Integers. Clear? The set of integers are denoted by I or Z. Now how to write integers? The set of integers are denoted by the letter Z. We can write. Clear? First we can write negative integers and so on. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. The next one 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Clear? We have to observe that 0. The next one we have to represent integers on the number line. So we can write 0. We have to divide equal parts of the number line. Now 0. We can represent positive integers on the right side of the 0. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now we can represent negative integers of the left side of the 0. Clear? Positive integers are denoted by right side of the 0. Negative integers are denoted by left side of the 0. We can write 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Clear? We have to observe that 0. So these are increasing, these are decreasing. Clear? First of all, we have to observe that which is greater for 1 and 2. 2 is greater. Why? Because this is the successor of 1. Clear? What is the greatest digit of minus 1 and minus 2? Minus 2. Why? Because these are decreasing. Clear? Now 0, minus 1. So which is greater for minus 1 and 0? 0 is greater. Why? Because 0 and minus 1. So we can represent 0 and minus 1. So we can represent 0 and minus 1. 0, minus 1. What do you observe? Minus 1 represent on left side of the 0. That means minus 1 is smaller. Clear? Once again, positive integers are denoted by the right side of the 0. Negative integers are denoted by left side of the 0. Clear? Now, integers are completed. Now, the next one. Non-integers. Next one is non-integers. Already told integers. Non-integers means those are must be a fractional form. Those are must be a fractional form. Either positive or negative. Clear? For example, 2. Let it be 2. 2 is a positive natural number and whole number and also integer. But 2 is integer or non-integer? 2 is integer or non-integer. Clear? For example, 2 can be written as 2 by 1. Now then it is a fractional form. That is a fractional form. But it is must be an integer or clear. 2 is a natural or whole or an integer. Why? Because non-integer means that is a decimal form. Clear? Non-integer means a fractional form. That means a decimal form. For example, we can take the fractional form. We have to find that a decimal form. Clear? So, now fractional form means, for example, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 value is how much? 0.5. Clear? For example, 3 by 4. What is the value of 3 by 4? 0.75. Now, clear? For example, minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. So, we can write minus 0.4. These are called non-integers. These are called non-integers. Why? Because these are cannot be represent on a number line. Clear? So why? Because 0.5 we can represent on a number line. So 0.75 is denoted by a number line. But exactly we can write an integer. Clear? So that means 1 by 2 is non-integer. 3 by 4 is a non-integer. Minus 2 by 5 is a non-integer. Clear? Why? Because non-integer means if non-integer can be expressed in the fractional form. Clear? Fractional form means P by Q. Fractional form means P by Q. That means a number can be expressed in the form of P by Q. So the numerator is P, the denominator is Q. But Q is not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0. That means the denominator not equal to 0. Clear? Maybe the denominator is 0. We can't define. Clear? So, non-integer means, what is called non-integers? A number can be expressed in the form of a fractional form that is p by q. What are the conditions for p by q? Q is not equal to 0 and p and q, numerator and denominator must be an integers. Clear? We can write either positive or negative. So those are called rational numbers. Rational numbers are quotient numbers. So what is the difference between rational number and quotient numbers? For example, 1 by 2, clear, that is p by q form, non-integer. So 1 by 2 is in the form of, that means a fraction in the form of p by q, the replace q by 2. So is not equal to 0. P and q are must be integers. So 1, 2 are in integers. Clear? Maybe minus 2 by 5. Clear? Minus 2 is an integer, 5 is also an integer, but the condition denominator is not equal to 0. So these are called rational numbers. So what is the definition of rational numbers? Clear? A fraction can be expressed in the form of p by q. The conditions are q is not equal to 0, p and q belongs to z. Clear? Now rational numbers are also called quotient numbers. Rational numbers are also called quotient numbers. Why? Because, for example, 1 by 2. So it's not divide. We can take decimal. We can write 0. So 2 5s are 10. The remainder is 0. Now, according to division algorithm, so now that is called dividend, that is called divisor, that is quotient, then it is remainder. Clear? Now this value is 0.5, that is called quotient. Clear? That means 1 by 2 or 0.5. 1 by 2 is a rational number, 0.5 is a rational number and also quotient number and also decimal number. Clear? We know that rational numbers are also called quotient numbers. Clear? That means the set of rational numbers are denoted by the letter Q. Clear? Rational numbers, the set of rational numbers are denoted by the letter Q. How to write? X such that x belongs to p by q. Clear? The condition is q is not equal to 0, p comma q belongs to z. Clear? Once again, the set of rational numbers is denoted by the letter q. Q means quotient numbers. Quotient numbers are also called rational numbers. So q equals to the set of x such that x belongs to p by q. The conditions are q is not equal to 0. Another condition is p and q are integers. P, q belongs to z. So now what is the definition of rational numbers? Clear? What is the definition of rational numbers? So this is called a fraction. Clear? A fraction can be expressed in the form of p by q. Q is not equal to 0. P and q are integers, is called rational numbers or quotient numbers, and it is denoted by the letter q. Clear? Now the set builder form of rational numbers or quotient numbers is x such that x belongs to p by q. Q is not equal to 0. P comma q belongs to z. Clear all of you? So we recall once again. Okay. We recall once again. We know that the first one, bottom to top. So, natural numbers, the set of natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Clear? The next one, whole numbers. The set of whole numbers can be written as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Clear? Now, we have to observe that natural numbers and whole numbers. All natural numbers, that means 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma are in whole numbers. Understood? All natural numbers are in whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not in natural numbers. Clear? All natural numbers are in whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not in natural numbers. Why? 0 is not in natural numbers. Clear? That means, therefore, n subset of w as read as subset of. That means all natural numbers are in whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not in natural numbers. Why? Whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. We have to observe that 0 is not in natural numbers. Clear? The next one, integers. That is equal and so on, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Clear? Now these are natural numbers. Clear? These are natural numbers. That means all natural numbers are in whole numbers. All natural numbers are in whole numbers. Already I told. We have to observe that all natural numbers are in integers. Clear? We can write and also all natural numbers are in whole numbers. The first one. Clear? The first one. The next one, all whole numbers are in integers. All whole numbers are in integers. Clear? What do you observe? All natural numbers are in whole numbers. All whole numbers are in integers. Now we have to observe that n subset of w is subset of z. Clear? The next, we can represent on a picture natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. First we can write, this is 1, 2, 3. These are called natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. But this is natural numbers. Clear? This is natural numbers. Now we have to observe that 0. That is w. That means we have to observe that. Now these are called whole numbers. Clear? Now these are called natural numbers. We have to observe that all natural numbers are in whole numbers. Clear? The next one, we are going to integers. -1, -2, -3. Clear? We have to observe that natural numbers are in integers. Natural numbers are in whole numbers. Clear? All natural numbers are in whole numbers. All whole numbers are in integers. Clear? That means n subset of w subset of z. Clear? That means Venn diagram of natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. Clear? The next one, for example, we can take 0. 0 is whole number. 0 can be written as 0 by 1. Clear? The next one, 1. 1 can be written as 1 by 1. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. Clear? 3 can be written as 3 by 1. So for example, -5 can be written as -5 by 1. Clear? Now these are called integers. These are called integers. Now these are called rational numbers. Why? It is in the form of p by q. Q is not equal to 0. So numerators are must be integers. Already the condition is there. Now these are called rational numbers. We have to observe that 0 is whole number. That means every whole number is a rational number. 1 natural number, whole number, integer. 2 natural number, whole number, integer. 3 natural number, whole number, integer. Minus 5 natural number, whole number, integer. What do you observe? All natural numbers, whole numbers, integers are in rational numbers. Clear? That means we can take picture. That is q. So we can write 1 by 2, minus 3 by 4, minus 5 by 6. These are called rational numbers. Clear? That means all natural numbers are also called rational numbers. Clear? All whole numbers are called rational numbers. All integers are called rational numbers. Clear? So after that, we have to observe that n subset of w subset of z subset of q. What do you observe? N subset of. What do you observe? N subset of w subset of z subset of q. That means all natural numbers are in whole numbers. All whole numbers are in integers. All integers are also called quotient numbers. That means we conclude that all natural numbers are rational numbers. All whole numbers are rational numbers. All integers are rational numbers. Clear? That means n subset of w subset of z subset of q. That means all whole numbers are also called rational numbers. All integers are also called rational numbers. Clear? So how to represent rational numbers on the number line? Clear? So this topic discussion after the next class. Okay? Have a nice day. Thanking you one and all. So in the remaining topic is irrational. Clear? The next, what is called rational numbers? Rational numbers, other topic is according to memograph, terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. Clear? We discuss the next class is terminating decimal, non-terminating decimal. After that, irrational numbers. Okay. So what is called terminating? What is called non-terminating? What is called irrational? So already I discussed rational numbers. Clear? Integers, non-integers, positive integers, negative integers, natural numbers, whole numbers. Clear? So and also how to represent on the number line for the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. Clear? Have a nice day. Thanking you one and all. Have a good day.